Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So I'm just catching up with Adam. He just stopped working on this. He's waiting for the springs to show up. But I just wanted to talk about, this is a Dexter equalizer. And this is a different style. So when we see this style, it's not one that typically we can replace or change out with like the Dexter Easy Flex kit or some of the other equalizer kits. So what I want to talk about is we're actually upgrading this customer to the thicker heavy-duty shackle links. Again, this is by Dexter. These are wet bolts. They actually get bronze bushings put in. And so Adam just got done installing new bushings in both of the equalizers. And then the springs, the actual eye loops of the springs were spread open. So he wasn't able to install those in there. The springs themselves, they're pretty rusted. They were going a little bit flat, but they weren't 100% bad yet. But what was bad is the eye loops on them were all worn out. So he wasn't able to properly install the bushings in them. They basically either didn't want to go in or they just wanted to fall right out. So anyways, that's just from the wear and tear of it, vibration and going down the road. So thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Great job, Adam. We appreciate you, man. Have a great day.